Avaya Phone System Repair. The Avaya Phone System was introduced as the Lucent phone system and later became the Avaya Partner Telephone System, an easy-to-use line phone system sold to small to medium-sized businesses just like yours. Enhanced with the 18D Avaya phone, it made it the state-of-the-art phone system you rely on. No longer supported by the manufacturer, but we know you rely on Avaya Support and Avaya Repair. From simple system adjustments to complex reprogramming, receiving Avaya Support is a must. But even more important is Avaya Repair. As your system ages, it may have faults and failures and require Avaya troubleshooting and then Avaya Repair. Businesses who rely on Avaya rely on us to provide the Avaya support they need. TelcomPBX, local and national telephone repair. Visit TelcomPBX.com.